And we are getting some breaking inputs that there is no relief for Kejriwal. Now, Delhi Chief Minister's plea was being heard. The ED had challenged relief for Kejriwal after Kejriwal got relief from the lower court that he can come out of the Tihar jail. But so far, the Delhi High Court has pronounced its verdict on a plea by Enforcement Directorate which sought a stay, and now there is no relief for AAP convener Arvind Kejriwal. He is likely to stay behind bars now. This is what we are picking in, and the hearing was on in the Delhi High Court, after which the decision has come out that there is no relief for Kejriwal, as Delhi High Court is also maintaining a stay on Kejriwal's bail that was given by the lower court. Now, the ED has challenged Kejriwal's plea on the basis that he is the #1 kingpin in the case. He laundered money, used it in Goa elections, and the Aam Aadmi Party cannot be roaming out. The Aam Aadmi convener cannot come out of the prison. The ED also accused the lower court that they were not given enough time, after which they moved the Delhi High Court, and now the Delhi High Court has given no relief for Kejriwal as they junked the trial court's order. This is the latest we are picking in. Now, the Aam Aadmi Party had, Kejriwal in earlier case had called it a fabricated case. We also have Ishika joining now. Ishika, the trial court's, relief for Kejriwal will no longer stand as the Delhi High Court has junked that order, and Arvind Kejriwal will remain behind bars.
Well, certainly, in fact, now, we are seeing that the High Court, in fact, has said that the court has decided that the vacation bench did not appropriately appreciate the material on record and the advertisements of the ED. Accordingly, the application is allowed and the operation of the impunge order is stayed. So certainly it is a big setback for Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister of the National Capital. He in fact had got a regular bail from the Rouse Avenue Court, but opposing that, the Enforcement Directorate had approached the High Court saying that all of the details that they had, all of the documents that the Enforcement Directorate had, nothing was considered by the trial court while giving that verdict. And now, in fact, it is certainly a win for the Enforcement Directorate, because the court, in fact, has clearly says that, the application is allowed and the operation of the impunge order is stayed. So certainly there is a stay on the regular bail of Arvind Kejriwal. It is a big setback for Arvind Kejriwal. The High Court, in fact, has accepted that all of these, these documents, all of those was not considered by the vacation bench judge of the trial court, that is the Rouse Avenue Court, which has granted this regular bail to Arvind Kejriwal. In fact, the court has also said here, in fact, it has observed that the vacation judge did not discuss about the vicarious liability of Kejriwal under Section 70 PMLA. Now, remember, the Enforcement Directorate had said that, the Aam Aadmi Party had used the proceeds of the crime in the election campaigning, and they, in fact, had said the High Court that this was not considered by the Rouse Avenue Court while giving this order. So, in fact, court, has accepted it in its observation and has stayed the regular bail of Arvind Kejriwal. So, big setback for Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party. Remember, the Aam Aadmi Party had called it their big win when he had got this regular bail, saying if the Rouse Avenue Court themselves is giving a regular bail, it means that the entire case was fabricated. And if you remember the observation of the Rouse Avenue Court at that time, while they had passed this order, they had said that there is no direct evidence against Arvind Kejriwal, and they have said that they have in fact observed that Enforcement Directorate was working with bias against Arvind Kejriwal. Now, Enforcement Directorate in the High Court had called both of these observations of the Rouse Avenue Court as wrong statements. So certainly today it is a big setback for Arvind Kejriwal. His regular bail has now been stayed, and it is certainly a win for the Enforcement Directorate today. Over to you.